Hi everyone, Terry Cobain with Conveyor and Caster here, coming from a warehouse where we stock and assemble thousands and thousands of casters and wheels. And we have casters for any type of application you'd ever need. But today, I'm here to talk to you about what I think might be the greatest wheel in the universe. I'm talking about our max efficiency wheels. This is the wheels have been around for a long time, obviously. This is relatively new technology in the caster industry. What we have here is a high ergonomic polyurethane with a crown tread, aluminum core with super efficient precision bearings. We've been using these in the field in a myriad of different manufacturers, and the feedback is incredible. Employees that are struggling with carts and pushing and pulling, this is making their life a lot easier, increasing efficiency, company morale, and reducing obviously those unwanted injuries. Great bit of wheel technology. So if you're interested in learning more about the greatest wheel in the universe, please reach out. I can get you some samples, some information, some quote, and let's get your company rolling with these max efficiency wheels. Thanks for watching.